Alright, I got this brush here. I'm going to put it on my step with these here. Yeah, these are some little circle clamps. Should be easy peasy. I'll let you know here in a minute. Alright, it's on there good. Can't move it. I'm gonna clean my boots off. Also, I use my Hyper Tough 20 volt max lithium impact. Easy peasy with the 5/16 bit to tighten up the clamps. I got this little set here, and I got my little socket set. And I turned those inside, trying to keep them away from my boot so it won't scratch up my boots. I'm gonna clean them off. I'll let you know how this thing performs. Coach UpGrade out. Take care.